State Farm. What makes this insurance provider number one in the US with FreeAdvice.com? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at State Farm, the number one insurance provider in the United States. From auto and home insurance to financial services and more, State Farm has a wide range of products and services to meet the needs of its customers. We'll dive into what makes State Farm stand out and whether or not you should choose State Farm as your insurance provider. Stay tuned. We have interesting insider info to share. State Farm is the number one insurance provider in the United States, and it's easy to see why. This company has been around for over 100 years and has built a reputation for being the go-to choice for millions of Americans. But what exactly sets State Farm apart from its competitors? According to an insurance business magazine, State Farm owns 9.3% of the market share in the United States. That may not sound like much, but that's $65 billion in revenue coming into the company. So it's a significant share. They rank alongside Progressive, Berkshire Hathaway, and other well-known companies. But State Farm dominates the industry. Here are the main factors that set State Farm apart. Number 1. State Farm has a strong commitment to excellent customer service. State Farm stands out because of its focus on customer service. The company has a vast network of agents spread across the country, so policyholders can easily find an agent near them to help with any questions or concerns. It is also important to note that State Farm operates as an agency-built company. That means that the company relies on a network of independent contractors who are referred to as captive agents. Captive agents are insurance agents who only sell insurance coverage that is provided by State Farm. This business model gives State Farm a unique advantage over its competitors, allowing the company to have a local presence in communities across the United States. Number 2. State Farm has a wide range of insurance options. Another reason State Farm is a top choice among consumers is due to its vast selection of insurance types and coverage plans to choose from. This provider offers a variety of insurance products for both individuals and businesses, including auto and home insurance, life and health insurance, and much more. They do it all. This means that whatever your insurance needs are, State Farm has you covered. They provide both life, home, commercial, and pet insurance, among many others, and have significantly impacted the market through their agencies. They understand that every customer is unique, and they offer a variety of insurance products to fit every lifestyle and budget, from auto, home, life, and health insurance to provide comprehensive coverage for all your needs. Number 3. State Farm is financially strong and well capitalized. When it comes to insurance companies, financial strength is crucial. After all, you want to make sure that the company you're entrusting with your protection has the resources to pay out claims in the event of a disaster. And that's exactly what makes State Farm stand out from the rest. State Farm is financially strong and well capitalized. With deep pockets and a solid financial foundation, this gives policyholders peace of mind, knowing that their insurance provider has the resources to pay out claims even in the event of a major catastrophe. Think of it this way. The foundation is the most crucial part of building a house. Without a solid foundation, the house can't stand. Similarly, an insurance company can't stand the test of time without a strong financial foundation. And that's why State Farm has invested in building a solid financial foundation to ensure they can weather any storm and be there for their customers when they need them the most. But State Farm doesn't just have a strong financial foundation. They also have a long-term vision. They have been around for more than a century, and they plan to be around for over 100 more. This is why they are constantly working to maintain their financial strength and stability, to continue to provide the best possible service to their policyholders for years to come. And that brings us to the final reason State Farm is number one: their involvement in the community and commitment to giving back. State Farm is not just an insurance provider, it's a company that genuinely cares about the communities it serves. The company strongly focuses on community involvement and giving back, which is one of the things that sets it apart from other insurance providers. State Farm is actively involved in charitable causes, supporting education and promoting safety. The company is committed to positively impacting the communities where it operates, and it does this through various initiatives and programs. For example, State Farm's Good Neighbor Citizenship Program encourages and supports volunteerism, disaster preparedness, and community development efforts. Additionally, State Farm is a strong supporter of education and has various scholarships and grants available to students. They also have programs that promote financial literacy and help students plan for their future. State Farm also puts a lot of effort into promoting safety on the road, at home, and in the community. They have campaigns and programs that educate the public about traffic safety, fire safety, and other safety-related topics. Since coverages don't significantly differ when comparing State Farm to the other insurance companies, we opted not to discuss it here. But just like any other company, State Farm has its strengths and weaknesses. As the number one insurance provider in the United States, they have a lot to offer. But there are also some areas where they may fall short. State Farm policyholders have reported that the company's rates are sometimes higher than other providers. This could be a big deterrent for all the customers looking for the most affordable insurance options. Another potential downside is that State Farm does not have a strong international presence, which could be an issue for policyholders who frequently travel abroad or live outside of the United States. Additionally, like many large insurance providers, State Farm may have a more corporate feel than smaller local insurance providers. This could be a downside for some customers who prefer a more customized approach and want to build a personal relationship with their insurance provider. It's also worth noting that some customers have reported that the claims process with State Farm can be slow or difficult to navigate. However, this can vary depending on the type of claim and the individual's experience. It's important to note here that State Farm has implemented a 24/7 claims service to assist policyholders with the process. All in all, State Farm is a well-established and financially stable insurance provider with a wide range of insurance options and a strong focus on customer service. But like any company, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Potential customers must weigh the pros and cons and decide if State Farm best fits their needs and preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at what makes State Farm the number one insurance provider in the United States. Excellent customer service, a wide range of insurance options, financial strength, and community involvement. Those are the top ways State Farm stands above the rest. While State Farm is an excellent choice for many people, it's important to remember that different insurance companies may specialize in various types of insurance or have a stronger presence in certain regions. So, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare different insurance providers before deciding. FreeAdvice.com makes it easy to compare several policies in your area. and it's free. Just type in your zip code and answer a few questions. In a matter of minutes, you can see what the best provider rates are for your specific needs. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your search for insurance. If you're interested in learning more about State Farm or other insurance providers, be sure to check out the rest of our channel for more valuable information. Thanks for watching and stay safe.